What's up YouTube? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for you guys, and in today's YouTube video we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the brand new iPhone that just came out a few weeks ago. Here we have it in the blue titanium color in 256 gigabytes. So let's go right ahead and open it up. With every iPhone you get one thing to tear off right there, and then another one to tear off right on the bottom. Go ahead and tear that off, put those to the side for now. And then be very careful, slowly let it come out like that. Take off the top, and there it is, the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max in 256 gigabytes. Really nice finish that Apple did here on their new iPhones. So let's go ahead and take it out the packaging, put this to the side for now. Let's see what else comes inside of the box. So with the new iPhones this year, they actually changed their charging port. So they used to be USB Lightning, and now they're USB-C. So here we have the charging cord that comes with the iPhone. You get a USB-C to USB-C power cord here. Now they changed their chargers as well. So they give you a rope braided charger now. You guys can see here, and I'm pretty sure that this matches whatever color that you get in the phone. So if you get the titanium, they give you a more titanium colored charger. It's almost like what comes in the new iMacs and MacBooks as well. We have, as always, the Designed by Apple in California papers. Tells you a little bit about the phone, and then you get, of course, the Apple sticker. A little more information here. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Oh yeah, with the new iPhones, you don't need a physical SIM card. You just activate it with eSIM. You make a quick phone call and it activates your data plan. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. The new iPhone 15 Pro Maxes also come in the titanium finish around the edges. Titanium is known to be stronger and lighter than stainless steel, so you'll get a much lighter phone than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here's the iPhone 14 Pro Max from last year, and then here's the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I can tell just by holding it that this one's a lot more heavier than this new one right here. The new iPhone 15 Pro Max also features the A17 Bionic chip inside of the phone, so you get a much faster phone and better graphics when you're playing games. For the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, they also added a 5x telephoto camera with the longest optical zoom of any iPhone ever. So if you zoom 5 times in, you'll take a much clearer photo than any other iPhone before. As you guys may have noticed as well, this is not the ringer switch anymore. This is now an action button, and this action button you can customize it to do many things, such as if you click it, it'll turn off and on the silent mode like the ringer. You can customize it to turn off and on your focus mode, so your do not disturb, your camera, flashlight, voice memos, to translate things, magnifier, shortcuts, and accessibilities with this button right here that you can customize in the iPhone settings. Let's go ahead and take off the protective cover right here and take a look at the screen. That's always the most satisfying part when opening a brand new iPhone. Crystal clear screen here. You guys can see there's no more notch on top. It's just a dynamic island here on top that moves depending on what you're opening. The new USB-C connector allows you to charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable that you use to charge your iPhone 15 Pro. So you don't have to be adding a bunch of cables. The iPhone 15 is the first iPhone to ever switch to USB-C and allows for a huge leap in data transfer speeds and faster pro workflows than ever before. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also has up to 9 more hours video playback than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This year, Apple added a brand new color called the Natural Titanium. So this features a more natural titanium color to the phone. I'll add a picture right here. They added natural titanium, they added the blue titanium, which is this one right here, white titanium, and of course black titanium. So this year, instead of the iPhone starting at 128 gigabytes, they're now going to be starting at 256 gigabytes, going up to 512 and 1 terabyte of storage. The 256 gigabytes start at $1,200, the 512s at $1,400, and the 1 terabytes at $1,600. These prices were seen last year in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. To be honest, not many things have changed in this phone as the 14 Pro Max, but we do have a few cool features in the 15 Pro Max that the 14 doesn't, such as the action button, the much lighter phone, and of course the stronger titanium around the edges. To be honest, if you have the 13 or the 14 Pro Max, I would not recommend switching up to the 15 Pro Max. It's not much of a difference, and it doesn't justify buying a brand new phone for just a couple new features. To be honest, it's not enough features to really justify a whole new phone purchase. So yeah, that's basically going to conclude this video. There's not much this year in the new iPhones except for those few features that I mentioned before. If you guys would like to check out some other videos, make sure to check out my channel down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and like this video if you enjoyed. If you guys do have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below and I'll answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.